It was a choppy start to the trading week here in India, with the Nifty 50 ending with cuts of about 0.2% or thereabouts. The broader markets, in fact, outperformed the benchmark and ended more or less flat. I'm talking about both the Nifty Mid-Cap 150 as well as the Small-Cap 250 indices. Now, you saw most of the sectors underperforming in trade, and by and large, the market breadth, at least for the large caps, were tilted in favor of the declines. You had the Nifty IT that bucked the trend, however, and it ended with gains of about 0.6%, one of the only sectors that ended with a decent amount of gains in trade. Take a look at the patchwork, if you can call it that, for the Nifty 50, and you had the likes of Divi's Laboratories as well as Bharti Airtel that led the gains today. Then you had the likes of Wipro, HCL Tech and Coal India from the PSE pack that did well. Among the top losers, you had Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, Mahindra & Mahindra, SBI Life and Ultratech Cement that lost ground. All of those counters, Bajaj Finance declined in trade again. Of course, it ended last week with significant cuts. It lost about 2% today as well. And that's despite Morgan Stanley's vote of confidence. It retained its overweight rating and it also retained its market, or rather its target price, which has a potential upside of over 40%. Moil shares were arguably the share of the day, or the stock of the day. It gained about 12% or thereabouts on higher volumes. Honasa Consumer was another one to watch today. It gained about 4.5% after Jefferies initiated a coverage with a buy rating. And finally, Newgen Software was another stock that I was looking at closely. It gained about 5% and was stuck in upper circuit after the update that the board is going to consider a bonus issue. All told, volatility did spike with an increase in the VIX. Let's see how this pans out over the course of the week.